Oops, I put a random tick there.
That's right.
4 rabbits took part in a 50 meters race. I beat Flappy, I beat Flower in the race. Fluffy, I was slower than Flower. Clover, Flappy was no match for me. Find out how the 4 rabbits did in the race. Daddy, please can you put the tables up?
Yep. And what would you like me to? How would you like me to do the table?
So, if Flappy won, if Fluffy won, and if Clover won, or Flower won.
Okay. So how would you like me to draw the table?
So right now, like, I'm thinking how to explain it.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, put the first letters. So like, if Flappy won first, you do at the top. If Flappy won,
Yeah.
if Flappy was first,
Yeah.
then.
So what would you like me to write there?
So there, I would want you to write. Please, can you write Flappy?
Okay. So I might just have to insert one more column. So here I'll write Flappy. Okay. And then what next?
Fluffy. And the next one.
Fluffy.
Fluffy, not fluffy. It's
Oh,
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Sorry, Fluffy. Okay. Yep.
And Clover.
Clover. Yep.
Then Flower.
Then Flower. Okay. Okay.
So who's first, second, third, and fourth?
And where would I write that?
In the top rows. First.
First.
Second.
Second.
Third. And fourth.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so if Flappy was first,
gonna
get my tick out. If Flappy was first here, no one else could be first. Now says Flappy beat Flower. So Flower could be second or third. So if Flower was second, Fluffy must be third or fourth. But if Flower was third, Fluffy must be fourth.
Okay. Now, are you sure Flappy won?
No, we're not sure.
Okay, you're not sure. Okay.
Wait. I'm gonna do it with these. So, Clover, Flappy was no match for me. So that means Clover must be first, we think, because it says so.
Yeah.
Then so now, now Flappy, I beat Flower in the race. So that means Flappy must be second. And Flower must be third. Flowers over here. And that means Fluffy must be last.
And let's have a final check. So Flappy says I beat Flower in the race. So Flappy is in front of flower, and is Flappy in front of
Yep.
flower, second and third.
Yep.
Okay, and then Fluffy says, I was slower than flower. So Fluffy is slower than flower, and Fluffy is fourth, and flower is third. Okay, so that's a actually I'll put some ticks as well. So far, tick for this sentence, tick for this sentence, and then finally, Flappy was no match for me. So that means Clover
Clover must be first.
fast. Yeah, Clover must be first,
Oh
and
yeah,
Flappy must be second.
I found a small trick.
Mm-hmm.
So if Clover was first,
Mm-hmm.
so don't worry about Clover.
Mm.
I beat Flappy. I beat Flower in the race. Fluffy, I was slower than Flower.
Mm.
So if you concentrate on those two sentences,
yeah,
Flappy beat Flower, so Flower could be 2 or 3.
Yep.
But Fluffy was slower than Flower.
Yep.
So Flappy needs to be second, Flower needs to be third, and sadly Fluffy has to be last.
Yep. Very nicely done.